everybody. Are you looking for the best surge protector to protect your RV's electronics? Well, in this video, we do a complete tutorial and product review on the Progressive Industries EMS PT-30X. Up next. So we're going to be talking about the Progressive Industries awesome line of surge protectors. And additionally, you're going to want to know, why would you need a surge protector on an RV? Okay, so let's talk about this real quick. You're going to be potentially traveling around, going to full hookup sites, and you want to be able to plug in to your 30 amp service. In the case of this one, this is 30 amp. They also have a 50 amp service. And you're going to want to plug in to get your electricity for your microwave, which runs off 30 amps, or your air conditioner. Those are the main reasons you're going to want to plug in full service. Your 20 amp regular house plug will work for just about everything else, but if you want to run your microwave and your air conditioner, you're going to want to have your 30 and 50 amp service. This is where this comes into play, because when you're traveling around the parks and what have you, plug it into various ones. And I don't know if you're like me, I'm not an electrician. Right? Now, if you're an electrician, we love you. We need more of you, because ignorant folks like us, we have no idea what we're doing. We're running on hope, right? We're running on hope that when we plug in, it's not going to nuke our entire electrical system.
This is an electronic management system. The purpose of that is to respond to defense against voltage short power. For example, the campground voltage, everybody at the campground is running the air conditioner at the same time, the voltage is too low. That can cause damage to my system, and this will detect that and shut everything off and prevent damage. When it shuts everything off, it will switch over to the battery and offer the correct voltage through the inverter. Electronic management system. This one has a remote display. It's a quirky display. I don't like the way it's on. It says 3 items. It should just simply display all 3 at the same time. That was such a bright light. That's why I mounted it there instead of up here where I have my meter, my battery meter. Some of these smart computer systems have these long batteries. So I can't just go put in a short phone cable and replace that cable for that.
You pay for your RV, you know how expensive it is. You price the components for your inverters and just all the stuff that runs in your RV, especially on 30 amp service, whatever you want to protect it, right? That's what this does. There's different ones on the market. I want you to be very careful when you're researching, right? Because there's some that will just detect, right? It's like those ads that I've seen on TV. So we're not actually going to fix it. We just tell you something's wrong. So there's cheaper ones out on the market. They only tell you, oh, hey, by the way, there's something wrong. Just saying, you need something that's going to actually protect it and protect it, right? So protection and detection, not just detection. It's a lot of extra. But anyway, so you plug this in first to the pedestal, and then, it's going to throw it with an arrow, or it's going to throw it up on the screen, right? And then the list of arrow codes are on the side. Zero is what you want normal, okay? And then if you see any of these other error codes, now again, you haven't plugged your RV into this yet, right? You haven't plugged anything into this bad boy. You just plug this into the pedestal, let it run its mojo, and let it tell you, what's wrong, right? So is it reverse polarity, right? Is there an open ground? Is there high voltage, right? So that's going to be above 132, or does it have low voltage, right? Because again, not only are you protecting the innards of your RV, you've got to protect what you're plugging into, right? You have a laptop, right? You have a $1,200 MacBook that you're doing to edit photos or videos, right? The list goes on and on of things that you're spending a lot of money on. You don't want to just run on hope. You plug it in and pop it in. Additionally, this will detect all of that. completely. We've used this, several times actually. Last time, pretty gnarly thunderstorm. Kept it nice and dry. Didn't have any issues with water getting where additionally, it comes with this little thing here that's built onto the cord, just a brand. And that is so we can keep the honest people honest. Little cable on like this, right? Run it through the pedestal and then lock it into itself. There's a lot of different locks out there. You pick this one up on Amazon on the cheap. It's basically like a black lock that comes with a set of keys so again, yeah, I'm sure if somebody wanted to get really creative with a pair of bolt cutters, they could probably, cut that and run off with it. But like I said, we're trying to keep the honest people honest here. If you're absolutely, totally worried about it, you could always buy and spend a little extra money and buy one that wires directly into your RVs in trails, if you will. But anyway, but they're a lot more expensive. And this one, it's exterior and it's portable and it's easy. Now, again, there's some that are smaller out there. There's some that are cheaper out there. But this one does it all for you in one nice package. So hey guys, that's it on the Progressive Industries EMS PT-30X. Phenomenal product. So thanks to Progressive Industries for putting out such a quality product for us RV food. If you have any questions, throw them down in the questions comments below. And you can some links down in the show notes of where you can find the product as well as some reviews. Thanks for checking it out.
So as you can see right here, I have this plugged into a 30 amp outlet here on the side of my house, and I actually have the camper hooked to it right here, plugged into the 30 amp, and it's kind of hard to see. I'm hoping you can see this. Let me zoom in a little bit. The sun is a little bit of a glare, but what it's saying is here that we have 122 volts. We have 3 amps of current that the RV is drawing right now. Then it comes up and it says it's 60 hertz. It comes up and says E0, which means there is no problems and everything is good. So it tells you everything about it. If there's an error, say E2, which is open ground connection, it would come up E2, and then it's not actually going to put power to your camper. Same way with reverse polarity protection would say E1. But there's a list of codes that comes with it. It tells you all the things that will come up with on an error. Okay. Some of the features is it's water resistant, designed for outdoor use. So this thing is made to be outdoors. It has no cover, but now, of course, with this brand new, a lot of the new campers are coming out with this big handle so you can grab a hold of it to unplug it. Well, the cover was not designed when these come out, so this cover does not close and seal like it should. So I'm hoping that Progressive will come out with a larger cover, and then they will just offer a larger cover that just bolts on right here to make it where it's totally sealed for me. But for now, of course, I'm under a canopy, so I'm okay if it does rain. This thing does have a nice rugged little handle right here to unplug it, and it also has the security locking bracket right here, so you can, when you plug this in at an RV park, you can put your bicycle lock through this and around the post, and that way nobody can run off with it, because some people could. They see this is a pretty valuable item and they could pack it off pretty easy, so that will lock it on so you'll be secure and nobody will steal it. It's designed, like I said, for outdoor use. It has a lifetime warranty, and of course one good thing about this, like we all like, this is made in the USA. Now, I'm going to be making more videos about this. As I said, this is a 30 amp and they offer a 50 amp. But when I get to a campground and do a setup video, so I'll explain a little more as I do a total setup on this thing. So check these out. I'm going to put a link below to this, to Progressive Industries, where you can check these things out. Extremely good quality. If you care about your RV and all your stuff inside, pick one of these up, because it'll be money well spent, and one of the best things that you can buy for your travel trailer. So thanks for watching Woodsman Adventures. Click the thumbs up. Check out the link below, and I'll catch you all in the next video.